Nothing but flowers here.
Finally, the forest detectives are back on the right track.
Hey, Pete, I think a flower's missing.
What? Let me see. You're right. One's gone. But a flower can't just walk away.
Hold on, Pete! It wasn't a flower!
You're right. It wasn't a flower.
It was something that looked like a flower that moved.
Oh! The flower's moving. The mystery is... Captain, what is it?
That's right, Pete. I have faith that you'll solve this case for me. The flower just moved.
Captain, hurry, say it!
Now the mystery is solved!
Captain, I can't believe you gave them the case because of Coco. What a waste! That picture could have been in our logbook.
Don't worry, Kiki. Our journey to become great detectives isn't over yet.
The culprit that attacked Coco usually hides behind flower petals and then strikes at prey with its sharp forelegs. It's called the orchid mantis. The orchid mantis may be as pretty as a flower, but its hunting skills are ferocious.
What is that?
Camouflaged as a leaf, this critter is a leaf mantis. It hides out looking like a dead leaf, and then with its saw-like forelegs, it attacks its prey. Out of all the culprits I've investigated, these two mantises have the best disguises by far. Although we ended up solving the case, I can't shake this icky feeling. Why did Dolph and his crew let us solve the case first? The mystery is solved!